Hello everyone. I've got a new compressor mount that I want to show you guys. This is an ARB single compressor only mount for the Jeep Gladiator or the Jeep JL. I have the 3.6 liter non-eTorque engine, so it works great for mine. I do know it works on the 2.0 engines also, at least the non-eTorque version. What I've found is that the eTorque, whether it's the V6 or the 4-cylinder, they have 2 extra reservoirs here. So I'm still doing some testing to see if this is actually going to work with the eTorque version. Because right now I have an extra switch plate for the compressor switch that comes with it. This will be an optional switch plate, and that's one reason why, is because if this bracket does actually clear the reservoir, then this switch plate would not work. So I didn't want to include that in the full package. But as you can see, it mounts directly to the fender, and we do have an extra brace bar here that comes over and mounts onto the engine bracket here. It's a little bit different between the 3.6 liter V6 and then the 2.0. Only in that on the 2.0 it's actually a welded on nut, and then on the V6 there's a stud. So it comes with hardware to be able to do either way. You can put it on the stud or thread on the screw that comes with it. So what it is, again, single compressor only. It comes with everything. It's going to have the air coupler, the air hose, all the fittings you need, all the hardware you need. There's rubber grommets that are actually underneath the bracket here to help isolate the vibration from the compressor. Since it is, very adjustable, basically it's clearing the hard lines that are under here, so it does not touch those once you get it adjusted correctly. It's clearing the aluminum hard line that runs underneath on the fender also. The only conflict that I've seen so far that there is that with the Rubicon hood, the top of this screw actually does contact the hood liner. So you can see I put a piece of, actually one of the customers that I've been working with that's been testing this on the 2.0 for me, he mentioned doing just a piece of the Velcro, something on there. But you can see it just indents the hood liner slightly on the Rubicon hoods. I don't believe it's going to touch or be anywhere near touching on the Sports or the Mojave hoods. But everything is all aluminum, so you're not going to have to worry about any kind of rusting or stuff. It's powder coated with a texture black, just like all of our other stuff. These are available now. They're up on the website, and they're going to be ready to roll. Like I say, it comes as a full package, everything except for the compressor. The compressor is the only thing that doesn't come with it. You just need to buy that separately. There's going to be some changes on 22 and 23 models going up on the engine brackets for the other under the hood mount that we have. So I wanted to come up with another solution also, just so we still had an under the hood mount. Plus, this one is a little bit more versatile in the fact that it will work with few of the different engines. Unfortunately, it still does not work with the diesel. The diesel is just so compact with everything in there. I have not found a good solution for that yet. But again, these are going to be available this week. I'm going to have them up on the website in the next day or so. It's 813fabrication.com. So check us out on Instagram also, 813fabrication. We're on Facebook. If you need anything, just give me a yell, shoot me an email. I'll get back with you really quick if you have any questions. So thanks.